Stop scrolling. If you clicked on this video casually, you need to make a decision right now. Either leave or give me your full attention for the next few minutes. Don't look at the screen. Forget whatever visuals are playing. Just listen to my voice, because what I'm about to tell you is not just another make money online video. This is a warning, a real one, and most people will ignore it, just like they ignored every opportunity before this. But if you stay, if you actually listen, there's a very high chance this video will change the way you look at money forever. Right now, in 2026, something massive is happening, and the scary part is, most people don't even realize it yet. There are people quietly making $100, $300, even $500 a day using AI. And then there are people who are still confused, still watching, still thinking it's too early or too complicated. 1 year from now, those same people will say, I wish I started when it was easy. And by then, it won't be easy anymore. That's how every opportunity works. Early movers win, late thinkers regret. Let me be very clear with you. AI is not the future anymore. AI is the present. And the people who are winning right now are not smarter than you. They're not more talented than you. They simply started earlier, and they took action while others were still thinking. So if you're serious about making money online, you don't need more motivation. You need clarity. You need direction. And most importantly, you need to stop overthinking. So let's start with one of the most powerful and easiest ideas that almost nobody explains properly. This is what I call AI-powered invisible freelancing. This is where you make money without people even realizing you're using AI. Businesses today need content every single day. They need blog posts, product descriptions, emails, scripts, captions, and more. They don't care how the work is done. They only care about the result. You step in as the solution. You offer services. You charge $30, $50, even $100 per project, depending on what you're offering. And instead of doing everything manually, you use AI tools to complete the work faster. Something that used to take hours now takes minutes. The client is happy because they got results. You're happy because you made money. And if you do this just a few times a day, you can realistically hit $100 to $300 daily as a beginner. Now let's move to something bigger, something that can actually change your income level over time. This is the faceless authority model. Most people think they need to show their face to make money online. That's not true anymore. You can build an entire brand without ever showing who you are. You can start a YouTube channel, a TikTok page, or even an Instagram page. Niches like money, AI tools, or side hustles. Use AI to write your scripts. Use your voice for authenticity, or even AI voice if needed. Keep the visuals simple. What matters is consistency. The more you post, the more data the algorithm gets. The more data it gets, the more it pushes your content. And once your content starts getting views, the money follows. Ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, digital products, everything opens up. This is not fast money. This is smart money. This is how people build $1,000 to $5,000 monthly income streams without showing their face. Now here's where things start getting really interesting. Most people try to learn everything at once. That's the biggest mistake. The real game is one skill, multiple income streams. You pick one skill that AI can enhance. For example, script writing. Once you understand how to create engaging scripts using AI, you can sell that skill in multiple ways. You can work with YouTubers and charge per script. You can build your own YouTube channel. You can create digital products like script templates. You can even offer content services to businesses. One skill, multiple income streams. That's how you scale without burning out. Now let's talk about something that can create real passive income. AI, digital products. This is where you stop trading time for money and start building assets. Using AI, you can create ebooks, guides, templates, or even simple courses. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to simplify information in a way that helps beginners. For example, you create a guide called How to Make Money Online with AI for Beginners. You price it at $10. If 10 people buy it every day, that's $100 daily. And the best part is, you created it once. It keeps selling again and again. That's the power of digital assets. Now here's a strategy that most beginners ignore, but has insane potential. AI content multiplication. Most people create one piece of content and stop there. Smart creators turn one piece into 10. You create one video. AI turns it into short clips, social media posts, blog articles, and more. One effort, multiple outputs. This increases your reach, your visibility, and your chances of earning. You're not working more, you're just working smarter. Now let's talk about one of the most beginner-friendly ways to earn. Affiliate marketing with AI. You don't need your own product. You promote other people's products and earn a commission. AI helps you create content around those products. You write reviews, tutorials, and guides. When someone clicks your link and buys, you get paid. Some commissions are small, some are big. But if you stay consistent, it adds up. Even a few sales per day can bring in $100 to $300 daily over time. Now listen carefully, because this next idea is something most people completely ignore. AI services for local businesses. Small businesses are struggling to keep up with technology. They need help with content, marketing, and customer engagement. You can offer simple services like managing their social media, creating posts, writing ads, or automating replies. You charge them monthly, even $200 per client. Just 5 clients, that's $1,000 monthly. And the work is minimal because AI is doing most of it. At this point, you need to understand something important. None of these ideas are get-rich-quick schemes. They require action. The difference between someone making $0 and someone making $500 a day is not luck. It's consistency. Most people quit too early. They try something for a few days, don't see results, and stop. But the people who win are the ones who keep going even when results are slow. So here's what I want you to do. Don't try everything. Pick one idea, just one, and start today. Create your first gig. Upload your first video. Build your first product. Reach out to your first client. Your first $10 online is more important than watching 100 more videos. Because once you make your first money, everything changes. And remember this, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Because in 2026, the biggest risk is not failing. The biggest risk is doing nothing while everyone else moves forward. If you've listened this far, you're already ahead of most people. Now don't waste that. Take action. Start building something today. Because the opportunity is real and it's right in front of you. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Results are not guaranteed and depend on your effort, consistency, and execution. Earning $500 per day is possible, but it takes time and real action.